doing excavation, concrete removal. Just got a pad out here in the field. Trying to avoid a 90-degree turn, so we're gonna dig this concrete out. Got some burning that we've been doing. Taking a little bit of the concrete out already, putting it in the pasture. It's quite thick. Changes some big rocks, but it's already starting to freeze to the ground, so it's making it a little bit tougher. But then there's syndicate blocks that they used as a form to lay this concrete, so might as well keep at her. There's where I've been putting the concrete. Got quite the little pile already. Let's put it on some buck brush. No grass grows there anyways. Give the cows something to scratch on too. I'm taking some dirt out with the concrete because I'm finding that there's pieces of steel, syndicate. Because I'm finding there's stuff in underneath where the building was. So if we're gonna be running the air drill through here, you don't want to be catching big rocks and syndicate or anything else for that matter. So I'm just taking some dirt out with it. Pretty much say we're done. Nice, clean platform where the pad used to be. No concrete past this point. But there is a brick. Just a bunch of burning shingles. Turned out fairly well. When this fire's done, push all that tin and stuff down to the bottom. And then start pushing that pile over on top of it, and if I need some more dirt, there's a blow dirt ridge along the fence line. I can just come and fill this up. This fire's been going for over 24 hours though. Some LED lights on my track loader. Just enough time to get home in the daylight.